I look seriously awful right now. So it is currently 3:10 on Sunday afternoon. I have just rushed back home from work because I have to pack all of this crap. Please ignore the fan right now. Some of the stuff isn't dry, so I'm kind of having to sort it out. Basically, I've just hung the wet stuff up and I got a fan blowing against it. I've got to try and get this dry within the next like 50 minutes. So our flight, I have literally just come all the way back from work. Our flight is at 8:10. I've got to pack, and then I've got to go all the way back to work. And then we've got to get we finish work at 6, and then we've got to literally go straight to the airport. So literally I'm just praying because class finishes on time, because otherwise we're pretty screwed. I do not know how I am going to manage to carry this, because it's like the size of myself. I did it. I managed, just about managed to fit everything in the bag. I had to just change my whole outfit just to like a t-shirt dress. I got my Levi's on. I had to put my belt on, which I didn't want to do because now I'm going to be really hot, but it would not fit in the bag. And then my Vans, I need new ones because these are disgusting. Now to go back to work. The next time I see you, I'll probably be at the airport rushing, or about to board the plane, or on the plane maybe. One of the two. I'll either be in the cab on the way to the airport, in the airport, or on the plane.
We'll pretend the words ain't true, they don't mean anything to you, but do you wanna come over later? To my house.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, the captain speaking. I would like to inform you that we are in our descent to Hong Kong.
That's right. Look. See the rain. So we're at the hotel. We've been at the hotel for probably about half an hour now. And I need to give you a tour right now because this hotel is swanky as hell. This is the bathroom. So Kurt's already had a shower, so it's a little bit wet. But so you got like the waterfall shower, and then you can also have like a handheld shower if you want. Also, if you know you wanna have a peek on your boyfriend showering up there, you can from the bedroom. Oh, also there's a mirror on this side, which is, you know, if you're having a little poop, can make you feel a little bit vulnerable. You've got the little aircon controls, then you have this like huge desk, a fridge, cute, and then you have, ignore this, but this is where I've just dumped all of our bags and stuff. Kurt's rummaged through the clothes just to throw something on because he's just gone out to try and get something to eat, even though it is like 2:15 in the morning, but we're hungry. So, and then you have the TV, this huge like stand where you can put your stuff, and the bed. Then you got, this is the light, right? And you can move this. I'm probably not going to be able to, yeah. I can't reach. Let me just stand on the bed. But you can like move this to wherever you want it in the room, which I thought, that is so bloody cool. As if I had to stand on the bed just to reach that. I am a midget. And then, oh my god, one of my favourite things about this is this, because you know, I've always wanted to sit on one of these window beds, and it's so comfy. And then you can't see the view because it's like the middle of the night, but it's just basically pure skyscrapers everywhere. Also, they have like a pizza place downstairs that's open till like 12 o'clock at night, and they deliver to your bedroom. How sick is that? Honestly, that flight was kind of horrendous. Halfway through, I should probably just sit still, let's be honest. Oh, these pillows are good. I was going to have a shower, but now I don't think I'm going to be able to move. Yes, that flight was absolutely dreadful. Honestly, the worst flight I've ever been on. No in-flight entertainment, first off, kills me. And the food was not that great. Absolute turbulence, crazy. There was thunderstorms, so you'll already have seen this footage, obviously. But it was like storming a lot. And I couldn't. Do you know what's annoying? Like the second I went to film, like at one point we were going through the thunderstorm. It was like completely below us, and all the clouds were flashing white. As soon as I pulled my phone out to record, it stops, and I'm like, I was filming. It was literally going off all the time. I was filming for like 6 minutes, not once, and I was like, I am so done. Always happens to me. I've got to tell you, the only thing that I'm kind of like, about as well is how echoey this bathroom is. Like, honestly, why is this bathroom like talking back to me? I don't understand. Like, it is basically like a glass box, but I mean, I feel like the whole hotel can hear me when I'm in there, like talking to myself technically at the minute as well, which is a little bit more weird. But I'm gonna go and have a shower now. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh my god, don't bend over. It's so heavy. What's this? Oh my gosh. Wow, it amazes me. Kurt was in the shower earlier. I went to try and turn the lamp off and accidentally clicked this button, which does this. Turns every single light off in the bloody room. And here's me not realising that, just click it again, Courtney. Here's me fumbling like this against the walls, trying to find the one by the door, because I thought it was something to do with the door. I thought I'd like somehow managed to trip everything within the first like 10 seconds of being here.